What up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So I go by the Lost Entrepreneur. You're welcome back to this channel. You already know what we do. We review t-shirt stuff, basically anything with t-shirt business, and we trying to start our own t-shirt business. Now I've been MIA for a month, but we're gonna get right back to that after this intro. This video, I know what y'all seen. Y'all seen the description. Y'all seen the title. We're gonna check out a little cutting kit, a little weeding kit that I got from Amazon. Now, if y'all are sleeping on Amazon got a lot of items for y'all. So, right after the intro, let's get into it. We back, baby.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Alright, guys, check it out. Got my little table set up. But this right here, you guys want to check that out. Got this off of Amazon. A set of versatile tools with wear resistance, durability, rust resistance, can be used for a long time. So, why did I get it? Why did I choose Amazon? Well, first off, 1-day shipping. Can't beat that. Amazon for sure has 1-day shipping. But the second thing was the price. Price, can't beat it. I throw the link in the description where I got it. I believe it was less than 20 bucks. I'm way pretty sure it was less than 20 bucks. But it comes with basically everything you basically need. You get one carving knife, one blade, one ruler, one stainless steel scissor, one tweezer. Let's see if you guys can see that while I'm reading it. That's all that it comes with right there. So you guys can see that in the video. Hook, weeder, scraper, utility knife, pan. But it comes everything. You can even see the little pictures right there of how they basically do it. For all you new crafters looking to get some stuff. But the ruler comes in handy. I like it. This is a metal ruler. A little flimsy, not too flimsy, but it is a metal ruler. It is not plastic. That is a plus. Under that ruler, looks like we get something here. Might be the blade. Yep. Got a blade right here. Be careful with that, of course. But get you a blade. Also get scissors. The weeding tools. I already took one out because I actually do use that right now. I'll let you guys see. I got it right over here. But this is the one I use for my t-shirts. And I use it for something else. But I like this thing. Comes in handy. The reason I didn't take any of this out yet because I wanted to do this video. But it comes with so much. The tweezers is definitely one of my favorite. Because when you're messing with little tiny pieces on shirts and everything, tweezers come in handy. They're nice and pointy. Very, very, very good quality. And this is coming from Amazon. So very good quality coming from Amazon. That is also metal right there. That little pick thing right there. But if you guys want to get this, I'm telling you, this all is in there pretty good. Show you everything that comes in here. Little cloth. This, of course, is the scraper. Make sure that it's sticking. Once you hit the adhesive, get the flat surface. Make sure it's sticking. Got all different kinds. Even have this little tiny one. Looks like a guitar pick, but it's not. Everything. This thing is nice, guys. Now, if you're a veteran and you already got tools and stuff, then this may not be something you're looking for. But for you new guys trying to get started and just get a kit cheap, I'm telling you, this is the way to go. Literally good quality. I don't know what else to say about it. It's a complete craft weeding tool set. Alright, y'all. Now y'all done seen why I got the toolkit, why I like it, how much stuff comes in there. So, you guys, like I said, like what I do with all these things, I keep reviewing stuff I be using around here. I got a lot of things I be using. But drop a like, subscribe if you want. It's up to you, honestly. But we just gonna keep it moving. We chilling over here. Have a good time till I see y'all next, alright? Peace out.